Replacing the battery in your Infiniti QX60 key fob can disrupt its synchronization with the car's immobilizer system. The fob uses a radio frequency transmitter to communicate with the vehicle's body control module. When you change the battery, this communication link can be lost, causing the fob to stop working. Fortunately, in the majority of cases, over 70%, the key fob can be fixed through a resync. This involves re-establishing the cryptographic handshake between the key fob and your QX60. This is a common issue, especially in models before 2022. Note that the battery is typically a CR2032. Ensure it is installed correctly with the correct polarity. The resync procedure for your Infiniti QX60 key fob depends on the model year. For 2022-2024 models with updated infotainment, Infiniti's over-the-air updates allow touchscreen reprogramming. For older models before 2020, use a manual DIY method. Cycle the ignition key multiple times and press the lock button. Some resync methods require access to the car's OBD2 diagnostic port. If DIY methods don't work, dealers can resync the fob for $50 to $150. Hybrid models have higher failure rates and often need dealer reprogramming. If resync still fails, it could indicate a faulty body control module. Always use original equipment manufacturer batteries to prevent compatibility issues.